In chapter 10 human settlement, today we will discuss about the map work, and in map work the two important topic related to map are mega cities and the million cities of the world. When you see the page number 99, million cities and mega cities have been given, and this table 10.3 on page 99, this shows the number of mega cities in different parts of the world. So today we will try to locate all these cities, and we will try to learn where these cities are located, these mega cities are located, right? As you know that mega city are those cities where population is more than 10 million people, and this was the New York, which was the first mega city which attained the position and status of mega city in 1950. It was 12.5 million population in New York City that time, and it is the rapid urbanization which have been one of the major force that shape up the global economic future. As you know, a century ago it was almost unfathomable that any person would want to live in a city with 10 million people. But by 1930, this New York, which attained its first uh, position of mega cities, and it has passed the mark. But fast forward to today, there are around 33 urban areas that meet the definition of mega cities, which are spread throughout the globe. Very first we will discuss about, we will see the mega cities of Asia. We will begin with India. In India, earlier there were only four mega cities. One is Delhi, the largest mega city of India, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. But now, after 2015, Bengaluru, Hyderabad has attained its position. And in this race of attaining the status of mega city, Ahmedabad is not too far. Very soon it is going to attain this position. On other side, when we go to the neighboring country, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka do not have such city which can have this position of mega city. In Bangladesh, Dhaka is the mega city of Bangladesh. Karachi is the coastal city. It has position like India in as Mumbai in India. This position Karachi is having in Pakistan. Then Lahore are the two mega cities of Pakistan. Then you go to Iran. Tehran is the mega city of Asia, located in Iran, and rest of the north, south, or west Asian countries, there is no any other city which is having the position or the status of mega city. This Baghdad can have, but still it is far away from that status. When you come to this Thailand, Bangkok is the mega city. In Indonesia, Jakarta is the mega city of Indonesia, single. Ho Chi Minh is only the mega city of Vietnam. In Philippines, its capital city Manila is the mega city. In Japan, Tokyo, Nagoya, Osaka are the mega cities. And in North Korea and South Korea, in this Korean peninsula, only Korea, where Seoul is the South Korea, Seoul is only the mega city. But when you move toward China, the number of mega cities are many. Here mega cities are Tianjin, Beijing, Nanjing, Wuhan is the mega city. Shanghai is the mega city here. Guangzhou, Chengdu are the mega cities of China. Right? Now, next in Europe, only this London was the first mega city after New York, but the number of mega cities are very less here. Like Paris, they are only London in England, Paris in France, Moscow in Russia are the mega cities. Right? There are only three mega cities: London, Paris, and Moscow. Right? Then in Africa is the second largest continent, but the number of mega cities are only few. Cairo in Egypt is the mega city, which is very close to Asia. Lagos in Nigeria, this is Nigeria. Lagos is the mega city of this country. And Kinshasa in Congo is the mega city. Rest, there is no any other place where city can have this position. Right? Many cities are there which are big in South Africa, like Johannesburg, Cape Town, Durban, but none of them have attained the position of mega city. In North America, in Canada, there is no city which is a million cities are there, but no mega cities here. In USA, at its Pacific coast, San Francisco and Los Angeles. Los Angeles is the mega city, and San Francisco soon will attain this position, status of mega city. Chicago, which is one of the important, but still Chicago is not the mega city. It is one of the largest city, but the population is less than 10 million. Here, Washington and this New York are the mega cities at its Atlantic coast. Come to the down south, in Mexico, across whole country, Mexico City, it is mega city. Then in South America, in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo are the mega cities, and in Argentina, Buenos Aires is the mega city. Here, Bogota in Colombia. See, this Bogota in Colombia, which is its capital city of Colombia, is the mega city. In Peru, Lima is the mega city. Right? And in Australia, there are many cities, but there is none of the city have attained this position, like 12 most important city like Perth, Erie, there's Broken Hills, Wandsworth, Adelaide, Melbourne, Canberra, Sydney, but Brisbane as well. No one is in the category of mega city. Right? Thank you.